Welcome to this Easy Tech channel, Fixit channel, and we talk about different technologies here. And one of them is, of course, Mac computers. But we have some news that is interesting about the Mac side of things coming up this week. So we had heard rumors that Apple would be working on a ARM-based Mac computer. And we know that a lot of their chips that they have actually on their iPhones and iPads, they already mentioned so many times that they were desktop class devices. That means that these chips would be powerful enough to apparently power a computer, a PC. I mean, they are already computers, but we often consider a computer or a PC more like a laptop or a desktop computer. Well, we learned that in the first half of next year, the first half of 2021, we will see the first in a series of ARM-based Mac laptops. So this is apparently official. They already are working on it. And that would be, of course, following in the footsteps of other manufacturers. I mean, we already have Windows that works on ARM devices. So I guess this is probably a logical explanation. And also, that would probably boost the battery life quite a lot because, ARM devices and ARM chips consume a lot less power than Intel. So, they've been using Intel chips now for something like 15 years. And now they might be moving slowly to a new process of manufacturing with ARM processors. That's going to be interesting also to see the changes that it brings to the Mac line of computers. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.